waste. It's threatening our planet. Who can we turn to? Who can help us keep our world from becoming one big landfill? Who will join us in preserving our natural resources? Faster than a speeding wind turbine, more brilliant than an energy-efficient light bulb, able to separate glass from paper in a single bound. He's reliable, he's renewable, he's reusable. He's Resource Guy!
Greetings, citizens, and welcome to my place. In a little while, I'm going to show you where all that stuff you recycled goes. Out in the real world, I might be a resource guy, sort of a superhero in a way.
Excuse me.
Oh, it's you.
Who'd you expect, Madonna? Aren't you going to introduce me?
Yes, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my partner in the fight for truth, justice, and the recycling way, Resource Gal.
So, didn't you just promise to tell everyone where all the stuff we recycle goes?
I did? Oh, right. Yes, I did.
Well, go ahead.
No problem. Check this out. All this stuff that looks like snow isn't shaved ice, although it is pretty cool. It's recycled styrofoam, and it makes great fake snow cones.
See, the same properties that keep your beverages hot without burning your fingers are perfect for keeping buildings at a comfortable temperature while saving energy on heating and cooling. And the walls at the Global Water Center are built from blocks just like these, made from recycled styrofoam. Show 'em, Resource Guy.
Who, me?
No, the other Resource Guy. Yes, you.
Well, sure. Want to see how the recycling centers work? Then watch this.
Did you know that more than half of what we throw away can actually be recycled? You've seen those big blue barrels on the street corners, right? They're the bins we use for our recyclable materials. The city sends a big truck out every week to collect your recyclables. But then what? It all goes to this ginormous building where they dump their loads into what looks like a mountain of used paper and plastic, aluminum cans, and styrofoam. A front-end loader then scoops it all up and puts it on one of the many conveyor belts inside the facility. These belts shake and shake all the heavy items like cans, bottles, and other stuff away from the lighter items that are mostly paper. Paper goes through one more sorting process. The rest of the waste goes back on trucks and is shipped to the proper recycling center. Think of the trees you save, the less landfill space we need, and a healthier planet you make every time you recycle cardboard and paper. You become Resource Guy or Gal.
Impressive.
Oh, well, thank you.
Okay, using used styrofoam to make blocks and walls is an excellent way to reuse materials. Truth is, we recycle a lot of different things. For instance, the roof at Global Water Center is made from used stuff too. Can you guess what that might be?
I know, pick me, I know. Here, I'll give you a hint. Right, recycled aluminum cans. Ow! It's a good thing it was empty.
What, the can or your head? Sometimes he makes it so easy.
Oh. Mommy? Well, now here's how they've taken all those cans, including the one you threw at me, and turned all the recycled aluminum into a roof for the Global Water Center.
Remember the conveyor belt at the recycling center that shakes all the cans, bottles, and styrofoam cups away from the paper? Well, once they get sorted from the rest of the stuff, the cans are smashed together into big blocks and sent off to a plant that melts them down into liquid aluminum for all kinds of new uses. These workers are installing brown roof panels, which of course are made from recycled aluminum cans. Now, guess where this roof is? That's right, you guessed it, it's the roof on the Global Water Center. Pretty cool, huh? So the soda can you drank a year ago might be living in a roof somewhere. Maybe even this one. Nice work, resource person.
Now, while all this is going on, let me tell you about one of our favorite places.
Oh, like the skate park, right?
No.
The mall.
No.
The movies.
No!
Well, what then?
The U.S. Green Building Council.
Oh, that favorite place.
The USGBC is a group of forward-thinking people who are changing the way that buildings are designed, built, and operated so that they're better for our planet. You know how in school they have a way to measure how you did on a test or paper so that you can earn a grade? The better you do on the test, the higher the grade you can get, right? So what the USGBC did was develop a kind of grading system. They call it LEED. That stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. LEED, get it? So every time someone builds a building, they have a way to measure how they're doing environmentally in 6 areas. Sustainability of the site development, water savings, energy efficiency, material selection, innovation and design, and indoor environmental quality. That's a lot to remember, but the main thing is the Water Center has received the highest marks that they could get with the LEED system of measurement.
That's like you, getting all A's on your report card, while taking all honors classes at the hardest school in the world. Also with one of the meanest bullies in the world, Stuart Selkirk. Oh, what a jerk. That guy stole all my lunch money and stole my girlfriend, the one with the little pigtails, and gave me an atomic wedgie and
That was a long time ago. Get over it.
Oh, sorry. I lost my head there for a second.
Yes, speaking of your head.
What? What are you trying to say, resource gal?
Hello?
Oh. Well, where were we? Ah, yes. We were building a building for Global Water Center out of recycled styrofoam. And we were making a roof out of recycled aluminum cans. And while all of this is happening, a lot more stuff is going on to help Global Water Center earn that great score from LEED. And, oh, I forget what's next.
Counter.
What?
Counter, do the counter.
1, 2, 3.
No, you nerd bomber, the countertops.
Oh, right. You see this counter? It looks like new, doesn't it? But it's not. It's recycled. From what? Old counters, of course. Duh.
Just like the counters at the Global Water Center.
I was going to say that. We can recycle and reuse just about everything. Styrofoam, cans. We can even recycle water. That's right. See, we live in the desert where it's hot. It's hot and dry. So it's really smart to reuse water as often as we can. So when Global Water designed their center, they did a really smart thing. They used 2 sets of pipes. One set for fresh water, like for drinking, and the other set for recycled water. You know, they used purple pipes for the recycled water. It's highly purified and can be used over and over and again and again and again and again and again. I love purple pipes. It can be used for washing cars, watering crops, cleaning streets, stuff like that. Even cows can drink it.
In fact, most water we use doesn't have to be drinking water. Makes sense to me we should use that for cooking and showering.
Everything else can use the water in the purple pipes.
So let's see what happens when we put together all the recycled products that we've been making. The walls made from recycled styrofoam cups, the roof made from recycled aluminum cans, the recycled countertops, the water pipes for the fresh water, and the purple ones for the recycled water. Ready? Well, look at that! We've got a finished building.
And it meets the LEED standard of excellence. That is the nationally accepted benchmark for the design, construction, and operation of high-performance green buildings.
You see how with a little creative thinking and some ingenuity, we can reuse materials to create beautiful, thoughtful, and efficient buildings that are respectful of our environment and our natural resources, just like at the Global Water Center.
So why don't you join our team? You can be resourceful too, in your own home, in your own way, in your own life. Because it's important for all of us to be smart and recycle as much as we can so we can all live happier, healthier lives.
Resource guy, the monitors!
Where?
There!
It's Wasteful Wally! He's squandering water again! We've got to go. Come on, Resource Gal, to the recycling cycle.
Oh, you got that old piece of junk running again?
You betcha. Runs on vegetable oil. Smells like French fries. Resource Guy!
And Resource Gal.
And so, our superheroes are off to fight waste yet one more day. A constant reminder that within each and every one of us beats the heart of a resource guy or resource gal.